Ciao a tutti. In this video, we're going to make the best cabbage soup ever. Andiamo a cucina. Let's get to the kitchen. Ingredients. Start with cabbage. Get some garlic, oregano and thyme, carrots, red pepper flakes, a yellow onion, and some fire roasted tomatoes. Now you want to have these because they lend a better roasted, deeper flavor, much sweeter, not as acidic as regular tomatoes. So make sure you get fire roasted tomatoes. You need celery plus their leaves. Then you're going to need extra virgin olive oil. You'll need a lot of vegetable broth. And that can be homemade or purchased from a store. You need parsley, preferably Italian parsley. But if you can't find it, regular parsley is fine. So let's just give you a quick overview visually for a moment, and then we'll get on to the next step. Okay, begin by chopping and mincing the ingredients such as the cabbage, the carrots, the parsley, the onions, the celery, and the garlic. And now pour your extra virgin olive oil into a heavy pot. I use Le Creuset. It works for me, but you use what's comfortable for you. Any heavy cast iron pot will work well. Okay, now add your chopped onions and begin to sauté them. You want your heat to be on low to medium. Begin to sauté, then add your chopped carrots, and then continue to sauté the carrots with the onions. Now add your chopped celery plus their leaves. Mix them together and once again sauté them for at least 3 minutes. Just look at that beautiful color, that oranges, greens mixed with the white. So pretty. Now add your minced garlic and sauté it for a few minutes. Now add about a teaspoon of salt, and then you want to add about a teaspoon of black pepper, freshly cracked if possible. Add oregano, and then you want to add some Italian seasonings if you like, some crushed red pepper flakes, some thyme, and stir all of these together to combine. Now it looks like it's a little bit dry, doesn't it? But that's going to change when you add the vegetable broth. Now add 12 ounces of tomato paste and stir to combine once again. Pour in your vegetable broth. There's a lot of this, but this makes a big batch of soup. How are you doing today? Let me know in a comment. I always reply to you. Now add those fire roasted tomatoes and their juice and stir them all together. Hey, where are you from? Let me know. Now add the chopped cabbage. It looks like a lot, doesn't it? It is actually a whole head of a large cabbage. So it really cooks down. Don't worry about it. Stir everything together. Again, it looks like a lot of cabbage, but it does cook down. It's looking great. You're doing a great job, my friend. Let me know what you think in a comment. Now add more tomatoes and vegetable broth if you like. I always do. Now add the diced parsley, Italian if you can find it. If not, regular parsley is fine. It gives a nice pop of color. And for some Italian deliciousness, add a rind of Parmigiano cheese. Oh, yum, does this really take this to another flavor level that you'll love. I do this to a lot of my soups, and it really makes a difference. So now you want to simmer this soup for 1 hour on a low heated burner and let it all come together nicely. Here it is. Remove the cheese rind before serving. Isn't this gorgeous? Serve it up and enjoy. What a beautiful soup. Buon appetito. Enjoy. Hey, I want to thank you for joining me today for this delicious cabbage soup. Now, if there's a recipe that you want me to prepare, please let me know in a comment, and I'll do my best to satisfy your cooking needs. This has been Roz Carreri in Nona's Italian Kitchen. Thanks again for watching. And remember, click the like button and the bell and hit subscribe. I'd love to have you as part of my community. Ciao, ciao.